If you want to insert a photo into another photo in Photopea, this tutorial will show you the fastest and easiest way to do it. Whether you're creating thumbnails, social media graphics, or simple edits for your images, placing one photo on top of another is a basic skill that every beginner should know. And the best part is, Photopea lets you do it right inside your browser for free. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy Photopea tutorials. Let's jump in. First, open Photopea in your browser and load your main background image. To do that, go to File, then click Open, and select the photo you want to use as your base image. This is the main picture that the second photo will be placed on top of. Once your background image is open, the next step is to bring in the second photo. Go up to the top menu again, click File, and then choose Open and Place. This is the option you want when you need to insert a photo as a new layer on top of your existing image. Now select the second photo from your computer and click Open. As soon as you do that, Photopea will place the image right on top of your background and you'll see transform handles around it. These handles let you adjust the size and position before you confirm the placement. If the photo is too large or too small, simply click and drag one of the corner handles to resize it. You can make it fit naturally into the design or shrink it down to a smaller size depending on what you need. If you want to move it, just click and drag the image itself to place it exactly where you want on the background. This is especially useful if you're trying to create a clean layout, a collage, or a picture-in-picture style effect. Take your time here and line it up properly so the final result looks polished. Once you're happy with the size and position, press Enter on your keyboard to place the photo. That confirms the layer and locks it into your design. From there, you can continue editing, add text, apply effects, or make more adjustments if needed. And that's it, you've successfully inserted one photo into another photo in Photopea as a layer. It's a simple process, but once you know it, you can use it for all kinds of creative projects. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Photopea guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.